my name is Deanna Kleina, founder of West Coast Lifestyle Group, and we do residential real estate here on the West Coast. So today I am meeting lovely Nina here at Muckabout in Burnaby on Hastings. So come check us out. And she's going to talk a little bit about the store, how it all started. There's some really cool items here, so I am just enthralled with everything. It's all homemade, local artists. You guys have to check it out. So Nina, give us a little bit about the store. How did it all start?
About 2 years ago, me and my husband found ourselves looking to change careers.
Okay.
I'm a potter by hobby and wanted to find a way to make my art into my job. And we started to do some research and found the business plan that went with having a consignment local artists and gift shop. So we now have about 70 local artists. Almost all of our artists are from BC, half of them are from Burnaby.
Wonderful.
We everything is handmade, locally made, local artisan foods, all of that, right down to our fat paint product, which is made in New Westminster. And we teach some classes in the back, so some of the things that we have available in the shop, we teach people how to make them, like hand-built pottery, some felting, fat paint, refinishing furniture, things like that. And that's the gist of the store. So,
but that's amazing. I mean, you're not only supporting local artists, but you're giving them a platform to showcase their art and come in and really be able to make a little bit of money and showcase it and support local. So this is an amazing opportunity to do that. And even if you're an artist, hit Nina up here and she'll be able to deal with that and come support. I mean, cutest little things and homemade, and it's just fantastic.
Lots of gift stuff.
Lots of gift stuff.
Lots of stuff for yourself.
For birthdays, for children, for in general, just lots of gift stuff. So I guess Christmas is a really busy time.
Christmas was very busy for us this year. Yeah, we won the Best of Burnaby Gift Store and Best Boutique in Burnaby, and we just recently are receiving another award for Seeing All People.
Yes, I've been meaning to ask you about that. Can you elaborate on that?
I provide some classes, and we happened to provide some classes where some blind kids came, and I did a joint project with Blind Beginnings and did an installation where the kids made the art with me, and we did a sculpture, a garden sculpture that is going to go in their lobby, and two of the families nominated me as being able to take the kids in and teach them as if any art.
That's amazing. And these are visually impaired children.
They're visually impaired children.
Yeah. That's wonderful. And what you're doing, that's fantastic. And you do classes, as you mentioned.
We do classes
for other people as well.
Yep.
So what kind of classes do you offer?
We offer hand building classes, felting, painting, mixed media. We have a drawing class every Friday. We do some art journaling, junk journaling, making recycled things out of stuff that we all throw away. We have a lot of art parties for people at night, adult people.
So
we do some birthday parties.
There's
Sometimes wine involved. Sometimes wine involved, and the groups get together and they come and they just make something. There's always something successful going home when you make it at Muckabout.
I love that. And what about corporate parties or birthdays or anything like that?
We've done both of those.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And you have a website?
We have a website, muckabout.ca.
Muckabout.ca, and you're on social media as well.
Yeah, Instagram and Facebook. Facebook is very arty. Instagram is what we're carrying in the store.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. So we'll check that out.